Hello students, welcome to the next session of Air Pollution Control Engineering Department elective course. In the last session, we have discussed global issues like greenhouse gas effect, global warming, ozone layer depletion, acid rain and photochemical smog. We have also discussed global treaties like Montreal Protocol and Kyoto Protocol. We have understand the effect of air pollutant on human health. We have also discussed harmful effect of air pollutant on vegetation and materials. In today's topic, we are going to cover source correction methods. The session goal is to demonstrate an understanding of the basic principles and methods used in pollution prevention at source to control air pollution by successfully completing the review questions at the end of this chapter. We know that prevention is better than cure. Control of pollutant at the source is not only economically but in control aspect also much acceptable. Installing any air pollution control devices in manufacturing facility will add investment in terms of installation and operating and maintenance cost. Adopting source correction methods results in less generation of pollutant, which is ultimately requires less efforts to control air pollution, and it may end up with no end of pipe treatment, means no requirement of any air pollution control measures. This may result in increase in profit margin, low pollution and enhanced product quality. It's a win-win situation for industrialist and pollution control board along with environment as a whole. Lesson objectives of these sessions are: at the end of this session you will able to define pollution prevention principle. You will able to describe control initiatives introduced by professionals in industries like fuel change, equipment modification. Relate the economics of pollution prevention as one of the lowest cost option for air pollution control. You will able to discuss source correction methods, and lastly you will able to list the successful implemented source correction options in industries in terms of case studies. With this, I welcome you all for the next session of air pollution control.